Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change password of your X account or Twitter account. Open your X app. On your top left corner you can see a person icon or your profile icon. Click on it. Then at the bottom you can see the option of setting and support. Click on it. Click on setting and privacy after it. Then click on your account. There you can see the option of change your password. Tap on it. Write your current password. I have pasted my current password. I'll create one new password. Type at least 8 characters it has to be. To make stronger password you can use @ and hashtags. I've also typed my new passwords. Now you can type on update your password. Your password has been updated successfully. Now you can log into your account anytime you want. And if you should keep on changing your password for your security purpose. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.